guys, this is Karina Wilga Photography. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. So today I am going to do a quick tip tutorial, and this is basically, I would say, for beginners. It's a very quick video. It's a quick tip that I think can help a lot of beginner photographers. It did help me when I started out, and I hope that it helps you guys too. What I had a problem with, because I didn't know anything about Lightroom when I first started, I kept having to change edit each and every photo separately, and at the end they would all look different. I wouldn't have that consistency throughout my photos. That one way would be, if you have a preset, you don't have to go through the same process every single time, having to go here and then basically apply the preset you have every time for every picture. So what you're going to do instead is you can go ahead and set that first photo that you are going to be editing out of all of the photos you're going to be editing. That first photo, go ahead and fix it the way you would like it, edit it the way you'd like it, make sure it looks good. I'm going to use this example of this family. If they do look familiar, this is the same family that I used for my prior video, and basically this is the I already edited this one. So in order for all of my pictures to look the same and have that consistent look throughout your shoot, throughout your session, you are going to basically copy and paste all of those settings, all of those editing settings that you changed for this first picture, whether it be with a preset or hand editing. Basically it's going to be the same. So now I'm going to be telling you how to do it with a Windows computer. I'm not sure what's the equivalent for Mac. I believe it's Command instead of Control. And so it's going to be it's basically copy and paste, like if you're really going to copy and paste a word or something. So you're going to press Control C on this photo. Make sure obviously it's going to be highlighted because that's the one that it's showing, and then you're going to go to the next photo. You can press the right arrow or just click the next photo, and then you're just going to press Control V. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you are going to do Control C on that first photo. Select the next photo that you would like. In this case, I just press the right arrow key on my keyboard and then Control V, and you're going to go ahead and see they have the same edit settings. From back and forth, so you can see that they basically look consistent. So guys, that's going to be the tip for today. Hopefully that helps you guys with your workflow to make it easier. And please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of quick tips for you guys to continue learning Lightroom as well as Photoshop. My videos shouldn't be that long for each tutorial. Tips are pretty easy, pretty short, but I think it's easier to do it this way instead of one video with different tips in it, because it'll just be easier for you to basically look for what you want and just watch what you need basically. And so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions for me, any tips for myself, go ahead and use the comment section below. And if you can, just let me know how I'm doing, how can I improve with my videos, since this is my first, maybe this is going to be my second video now, and I would like to have any feedback that will help me in the future as well. Thank you guys, and you guys have an amazing week.